Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe Checkout to a LinkedIn landing page step by step clearly. To connect Stripe Checkout to a LinkedIn landing page, begin by logging into your Stripe account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the sign-up process on the Stripe website. Once logged in, navigate to the Products section in the Stripe dashboard. Click on the Add Product button to create a new product that you want to sell. Fill in the necessary details, including product name, description, and pricing information. Once you have entered all the details, click on Save Product. Next, head over to the Developers section in the Stripe dashboard. Select API keys to find your publishable and secret keys. You will need these keys to integrate Stripe Checkout. Now, open a new browser window and log into your LinkedIn account. Create or edit your LinkedIn landing page, where you want to add the Stripe Checkout link. Add some informative content about the product or service you are selling. In your LinkedIn post or article, include a call to action encouraging your audience to make a purchase. Next, generate a Stripe Checkout link by going back to your Stripe dashboard. Select Checkout from the left side menu, then click on New Checkout Session. Add the product you created earlier to this session. Configure any additional settings based on your needs, such as payment methods and custom fields. Once you have completed the configuration, click Create Checkout Session. Copy the generated checkout URL. Now, go back to your LinkedIn landing page. Paste the Stripe Checkout URL into your content as a hyperlink. Make sure the link stands out, perhaps by using bold text or a button format. Finally, review your LinkedIn page to ensure everything looks correct and functions properly. Once satisfied, publish or update your landing page. Your Stripe Checkout is now successfully connected to your LinkedIn landing page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.